In past videos, we learned how to create modules, make packages, and use one of Python's built-in modules. But sometimes there are tasks that you need to complete, but there is no built-in module for what you're trying to do. Built-in modules aren't the only modules you can use. There are also Python modules that aren't included with Python, but you can still install them manually. If every possible module was made built-in with Python, it would take up all your computer's storage space. That's why you can specifically install certain modules that you need. You can find all sorts of modules and packages at Python's package index, pypy.org. Here are thousands of packages that people have written and published here for us to use. For most functionalities, there is a good and reliable package for you here, so you don't have to waste your time writing code that has already been written before. You don't need to download anything directly from this website to use the programs. There is a program called pip, P-I-P, which is used to install these packages to your computer. To show you how to install packages, I'm going to be showing you how to install NumPy. That's a Python library just used for working with arrays, algebra, and more. If you search for that package on PyPy, you can see the command to install the package. To install any package, we use the pip command. Sometimes you might see pip3, and I don't know if one of the commands will become deprecated in the future, but as of recording this video, pip and pip3 do the same thing. It used to be that pip referred to Python 2, while pip3 referred to Python 3, but now both of them should do the same thing, which means that they should both refer to Python 3. So let's go back into VS Code. You can enter the command in any terminal window or command prompt, but you can also do it in your code editor if it has a terminal. So open up the terminal section, and instead of running the Python file, I'm actually just going to type the command that you can copy. So it's pip install numpy. And like I said, you might have to do pip3, and I'm actually just going to type pip3. So when I enter, it says that it's already installed on my computer, but for you, if it's not installed, you'll have to type Y. So now it's installed on my computer, which we can simply access it by saying import numpy. If you ever want to remove a package, you can type pip uninstall or pip3 uninstall, and then the package name, so numpy. And over here, you'd have to say Y or N, Y for yes, N for no. I'm going to say N because I don't want to uninstall that. In this video, I'm not going to show you how to use NumPy. This video was just to demonstrate how to install packages with the pip command, since you'll have to do it at some point in your Python journey. Like I said with the built-in modules, it's impossible to show you every single module, so you'll have to pick certain modules for your field of expertise. For example, if you are building a website, you will have modules like Flask or Django, which are both website libraries for Python. But there are other things for other fields of expertise, and it's impossible to show you them all in one tutorial. However, you can look at my channel and there will be videos on certain modules, but of course I can't make videos on every single one.